Hello there. So if you have a problem on your OBS that has a problem that hearing on one side of your headphones, so to fix that it's pretty simple. So this is a problem that I have when I start on the OBS recording on my beginner days, start of the days. So guys, it's pretty simple. You guys need to click this setting button right here on your audio mixer. After clicking that, this interface would be show up. You guys can see this tick box right here. So if you have that problem, a tick box right here is not ticked or correct on the box. So as you guys can see here, you guys can hear on one side of your headphones. So to fix that, you guys need to make sure to correct this box right here. So it's pretty simple, guys. This is like happening to like beginner OBS studio users. So make sure you guys tick this box and it would fix your headphone problems. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.